how to become air traffic controller. Yes, so let us know this. Air traffic controller is a job which involves managing the traffic in air, monitoring and managing aircraft and runways. They provide with the information to the pilots via radio about the location, runway, and monitor the altitude and speed of the aircraft. Air traffic controllers are the back end people who are majorly responsible to overlook that aircraft collision and air traffic mishappening don't happen, as these mishappenings can cause major loss of property and life. This job is of great responsibility as is given to those individuals who have a strong basis in technical aspects, as their main aim is safety and smooth flow of air traffic, which involves attention to landing and takeoff the aircraft. So managing the flights which are arriving and departing and so on. Airport Authority of India conduct an examination on the basis of which they are hire individuals as air traffic controller. The examination test the individuals on the basis of medical test, voice test, and a written test. Air traffic controllers are the eyes and ears of the pilot. They need to have attention to details and the skill of multitasking. As a air traffic controller, you can work as town controller, approach controller, area controller, etc. What are these? Town controller, approach controller, area controller. All the mentioned departments work with each other in unity so as to ensure safe and smooth functioning of aircraft at the airport. So, career opportunities in air traffic controller. So, town controller. So, they direct and monitor the traffic on runways, giving clearance to the aircraft about landing and takeoff. They work from tower centers, as from there they have a clearer view of the runway. They are responsible for getting the aircraft on the runway, and from there other departments of the air traffic controller take charge. Now the second is approach controller. Approach controllers take over when the aircraft is landing so as to ensure the most effective and fuel efficient form of landing. They are constantly in touch with the safety area so that the landing is safe. Now the third is area controller. So air approach and departure controller are responsible for monitoring the aircraft in the control airspace in order to ensure safety. They use the technical equipments to monitor the path of the aircraft and provide with important information to the pilot about the weather conditions and critical notices with regard to the path and the aircraft is following. Now we are going to learn something different, and this is how to pursue a career in air traffic controller. Yes, this is the question. Now you have two options, path 1 and path 2. Stream. Your stream should be science. Yes, class 12 with science stream, 12 with science stream. If you want to become a air traffic controller, then you must remember you have to pass with science. Now graduation. Pursue BTech degree in any related fields like mechanical, aeronautical, etc. Path 2. Pursue bachelors of science in physics and mathematics. See, first option is you have to pursue BTech degree, mechanical, aeronautical, and the second one is science, physics and mathematics. Now after graduation you can pursue MTech, or here you have to pursue Master of Science in Physics and Mathematics. That means if you want to become air traffic controller, you should have physics and maths. Remember these things. Now we are going to check important facts. Now, must have passed class 12th senior secondary examination with at least 60 marks including English. A test is conducted by Airport Authority of India, and individuals who are above 27 years of age are not eligible to apply, who are above 27 years of age. That means you have to be below 27 years. Now, the most common part is this: leading institutes and top air traffic controller institutes in India. So there are so many institutes in India, and for that you have to plan which one is nearest one, like colleges, location, website. So website you can see here: Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Mumbai, IIT Kharagpur, Birla Institute of Technology Pilani, site is here, Vellore Institute of Technology Chennai, and here Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. Multiple locations like Pune, Mohali, Bhopal. So Manipal University, Jaipur. Once you click on this website, it will take you to the main website. So now, top air traffic control institutes in the world. Here we are talking about world, not India. So Massachusetts Institute of Technology, United States, University of Toronto, Canada, Stanford University, United States, University of Cambridge, United Kingdom, University of California, Berkeley, United States, University of Oxford, United Kingdom, California Institute of Technology, United States, the University of Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne, cricket ground. So, University of Edinburgh, United Kingdom, University of Liverpool, United Kingdom. So, of course, this is Liverpool is like a football team. I hope so. So these are the website, and if you're really interested in all these things, then you can go with the world also, and you can go with the India also. Now, important entrance exams. So undergraduate exam, okay, college ATC, tentative date April. It's a old important elements: written test, oral test, medical test. So in case of new, you just go with the website, air traffic controller. Now, work description. The job of air traffic controllers involves multitasking, as they have coordinate among the various departments in air traffic control itself and take into account the safety measures. So air traffic controllers have to stay in contact with the pilot throughout and provide them with the necessary information as to avoid any mishappenings while in air or on runway. They are also responsible for alerting their airport response staff in case of any aircraft emergency. Hence, this job requires vigilance and quick decision making. This one is air traffic controllers involves the use of radars, technical equipments to guide the aircraft in the air, and they also need to coordinate with the other departments to ensure smooth arrival and departure of the aircraft. So we have reached the last part of this section. So pros and cons of a career in air traffic controller. Pros: air traffic controller is a job for those individuals who have high ability to strategic thinking, quick decision making, and are highly vigilant. Jobs can be exciting and interesting for those who are aviation enthusiasts. Air traffic controllers can take pride in their job, as they are constantly working with the pilots and ensuring safety arrival and departure of thousands of people and aircraft. So cons: becoming a successful air traffic controller requires years of training and experience. In order to gain knowledge, professionals might have to work long hours, and it might become stressful sometimes, as this job is which aims at safety, and it is a major responsibility, so there is no room for error. Yes, of course, single mistake can change the world. So here you don't have to make any mistake, so be prepared for that. So if you're really interested in air traffic controller, you just go ahead and remember these things with like science, BTech in mechanical and aeronautical, and here physics and mathematics. So I hope you like this video. So meet you in the next video. For now, bye bye. Subscribe my channel, Anokha Career.